Welcome to the Portfolio Development Workshop in Visual Storytelling. Hi, I'm Robert Lentz, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've worked for over 30 years in the animation industry. I attended the CalArts Character Animation program for 2 years and then got hired by Disney Studios largely on the strength of my student film. I've worked for just about every major studio in town, including Disney, Pixar, and DreamWorks. I've worked basically every job in the story department, including storyboard artist, head of story, screenwriter, and visual development artist. My work in animation has taken me literally all over the world, and I have worked for animation studios or taught and lectured on animation in such diverse places as China, South Korea, Russia, England, Italy, Czech Republic, Mexico, and Uruguay. I've also taught for many years in CalArts. I've taught classes in storyboarding and story development, as well as consulting on dozens of student films each year. This course is in visual storytelling with an eye towards helping you build a strong portfolio. We'll be covering things like basic story principles and design concepts as they relate to animated filmmaking. We'll be emphasizing clarity and simplicity, the ability to think quickly on your feet, and to work fast, rough, and loose. You're not going to be needing any expensive or fancy equipment for this course. We just ask for basic plain old white paper and markers. Just ask that you do use something with a nice, strong, bold line, something that you can't erase. You're going to be doing a lot of drawings in this course. However, the course is not about making pretty drawings. This course is all about the idea and the concept behind the drawings. Since my entire career has been in the story department, that's the vantage point that I'm coming from. So we're going to emphasize putting the story first in all things. We'll talk about committing to an idea, about having your characters make strong emotional choices, and about finding the story in each and every drawing. Throughout the course, we're going to be giving you assignments which are designed to challenge you and stretch you. Each week, you're going to get a new assignment which will give you the opportunity to showcase your creativity, your storytelling ability, and your sense of humor. I'll also have videos, links to cool stuff to show you that you can watch on your own time and apply to whatever assignment that we're talking about. Our goal is that by the end of the course, you have lots of strong, solid portfolio material using your own stories and characters and worlds which you will have created during this course. I hope you're excited for this course. I know I'm very excited about the opportunity of working together with you, and I greatly look forward to all the wonderful material and artwork that you're going to create during this course. Ciao.